In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch a WordPress application on Cloudways. If you've ever felt intimidated by traditional cloud hosting setups, the good news is that Cloudways makes the process much simpler. Instead of manually configuring servers, databases, and WordPress from the command line, you can use a managed interface to get a fully optimized WordPress environment up and running in just a few clicks. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to choose your application, size your server, connect your domain, and secure everything with SSL. First, open your browser, go to the Cloudways platform, and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, head to the server section from the top navigation, then click Launch Now or Add Server to begin creating a new server. Next, choose your application. In the Select Application dropdown, pick the WordPress version that best matches your project. You may see options for standard WordPress, WordPress multi-site, or a WooCommerce ready version. After that, give your application, server, and project clear names so they're easy to identify later, especially if you plan to manage multiple websites. Now it's time to choose your infrastructure. Select your preferred cloud provider, such as DigitalOcean, Vultr, or AWS. Then use the server size slider to set your resources. For most production websites, starting with at least 2 gigabytes of RAM is a smart choice because it gives WordPress, PHP, and caching tools enough room to run reliably. After that, choose the data center location closest to your audience to help reduce loading times. When everything looks good, click Launch Now. Cloudways will automatically provision the server and install WordPress for you, which usually takes around 7 to 10 minutes. Once the server is live, go to the Applications section and open your new WordPress app. On the Access Details page, copy the public IP address. Then, in your domain registrar's DNS settings, create or update your A record so it points to that IP address. After your DNS record is set, go back to Cloudways and open Domain Management from the application menu. Add your custom domain, save it, and then set it as the primary domain so your application responds correctly to your branded address. Next, open the SSL certificate section. Leave the provider set to Let's Encrypt, then enter an administrative email address and your primary domain. Click Install Certificate to activate free HTTPS security for your site. Finally, return to Access Details and review the Admin Panel section. Open your custom domain in a private browser window, confirm the site loads correctly, and make sure you see the secure padlock in the address bar. Then test your WordPress login to verify you can access the dashboard successfully. And that's it. Your WordPress application is now launched, connected to your domain, and secured on Cloudways. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.